What's up YouTube, welcome to Complete Tech Review, and here are 7 best features of the XUV 300. And if you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to be notified for all new videos. The top best features of the Mahindra XUV 300: 7 airbags, blue sense, all-wheel disc brakes, sunroof and more. Here are the best features of the Mahindra XUV 300. What's up YouTube, welcome to Complete Tech Review, and let's start with the best features. The XUV 300 is offered in 2 trims. The petrol gets a 1.2 liter turbocharged petrol unit, whereas the diesel gets a 1.5 liter diesel engine. The petrol is making a maximum bhp of 110 bhp, whereas the diesel gets 115 bhp, and this one is sourced from the Marazzo. And both the vehicles are mated to a 6-speed transmission. On the infotainment side, it gets a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which is both Apple and Android Auto compatible. Further to this, it also is compatible with the BlueSense connectivity app, where the BlueSense app lets you control and access more function in the infotainment display using a smart watch. This includes climate, audio control, service reminder, vehicle documentation, emergency contacts, etc. On the safety side, Mahindra has pushed everything to this XUV 300. It gets 7 airbags, which is the segment first. The wheels get, all 4 wheels get 4 disc brakes, which further aids to the braking. And on the features side, it also gets a sunroof, which is one of the segment first, and also 2-zone climate control. The other features that the XUV 300 gets are 3 steering modes: comfort, normal and sports. It also gets push button start, automatic headlamp and wipers on, hill hold assist feature, electronic stability program, front and rear parking sensors, 60/40 splits for the rear seats, ambient lighting for instrumentation console, multi-information TFT display in the information console. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off.